here. Now, one more interesting thing that n8n has just added is here the option to actually add in another agent as a tool, meaning we can build multi-agent systems very easily. So we can see here AI agent tool. We can basically just call another AI agent from another AI agent, right? So we can go even more complex. So let's say this AI agent has access to all social media scrapers to scrape all social media from this person, and the original agent has only a web scraper. You can work together to do even more deep research. Now, in general, you don't really use this sort of setup that often, so I wouldn't worry about it too much for now. But it is an interesting use case and makes it really easy to build these multi-agent systems. Now, lastly, you can also add in MCP right now, right, as a tool basically. And you can see it here, MCP client tool. And here we can basically set up our own, we can call our own MCP. So we can create our own MCPs in n8n, which again, I'm going to show you here very quickly, because the use cases for this for production ready workflows are not that often yet. So basically what we can do is set up an MCP server trigger. Now this server trigger, we can then call from the AI agent. Now what this does is we can basically just add in all the tools we want. So let's say we have 10 different actions in Airtable. We can connect all of these actions like update a record, delete a record, um, update multiple records, etc. All different actions we can take. We can add them all here. Then we get a link here, as you can see, again, a test URL and a production URL. We can use that link then to call in our AI agent MCP client and use that endpoint. And then basically our AI agent will automatically have access to all of the tools of Airtable, for example, right? So it's an easy way if we can make very complex systems. It's an easy way to reduce complexity for the AI agent, and therefore it will also increase the reliability of these AI agents. Now, another use case for this MCP trigger is we can actually connect this to Claude. So Claude also has access to all of these tools inside of Claude. So you can actually use your software. And again, I have a full video on my YouTube channel too on how to set this up with Claude and MCP. I'm not covering it in this video because it's not very much a sellable setup. It's more a use case that really can help you have a better assistant with Claude that can actually interact with your softwares. So if you're interested in that, again, I have a YouTube video on that on my YouTube channel. So that's it for MCPs. And really, we've now covered all AI nodes and all essential nodes in n8n. Now, there are a few more essential skills you really need to know in n8n to start building automations. And the first one